You are strong.
You are strong.
You are still strong.
You are strong. Inshallah, the elephant is coming.
Yeah.
We are stronger than appetite.
You are stronger than appetite. Yo, just your brother man out there. When I do no. You are the hero. Obey hero ourselves. You see? 20 or 1 net to call. Tin. And no one is couple. Near the Uko, no.
Yes, I'm strong.
You are strong. Yeah, you are strong. You see, this thing, it's not funny. Yeah, I'm not supposed to laugh. And I'm not supposed to laugh. Like the whole thing is not funny, but it's funny. What's a radio station? So can we join the Mahama? Name the reason why he a plane Kunya accident, or can be he you have evidence? Okay, can in somehow be or media and so. I mean on the radio station. Enna aban akakofa Endra, you appeared before the court today. Enna court say court atnasi judge Bisao. I mean the prosecutor, whoever you will be asked questions. What you say? Ajenkwana now. Oh yeah, ajenkwana na. In there no ajenkwa. Ukosels sisi ya remanded na ukosels. Ukoto ajenkwa wada na ajenkwa ya son is strong. So the court sat down. They asked him questions, and this man couldn't prove or say anything about what he said about Mahama. He couldn't give any proof. No evidence, nothing. So the court was like, okay, if that's the case, then bro, you got to go to the cells. You've been remanded for 1 week. In this period, in that 1 week period, no, police for your investigations as to say they work to find out say evidence now no. Secondly, okwakoda cells no, what the badge you know, you are going to reminisce like obedient say okay. Say na make an evidence maybe about go fetch your evidence ni na no proof ni na no. In 1 week time you submit them or you come before the court to prove say they are kind of correct. So freedom of speech betimi academy pay insuru bia okrom how aden ye chill court one can just say insuru bia okrom antim jam na menko. See emre okrom ha, you can't just sit on the media and say anything you want. Jimina make an ebi ni o Jimina ya mekano. Ebini. You've left your family. Oyena umba we jomu ofie. And look at you, going to sleep in the cells for 1 week. Now Wontumi crowd boss in a cra no. Na ho fa no. How much more than you? See, politics. Adibia mba politicizing no. Adibia politics. Me MPP nti, me NDC nti, me CPP nti, me team academy, me PBA, we anti me because yeah, there are some big men behind me. Your big men doesn't reflect on the government. What I say? And brand new idea, there's nobody like a big man. So this is it. Ajenkwana has been remanded for 1 week, and he will come back to bring his proof that Mahama knew say plane benya accident. Mahama knew helicopter no. Omo mumbewu. He planned everything. Mahama knew everything. This guy is going to prove it. And he said, "Nyame amfa fie na embrane no wudi fe na say, ore make say nyame amfa fie na say jeliwa. Ujimi na yewe. And you are there. I'm strong. I'm stronger than appetite. We na Jimmy Kasa nyanse bi enim. A friend of my ferry wakume too. Look at his face, like you could say your man is clearly down. Nyansa. You couldn't apply knowledge to whatever you were doing. You couldn't apply knowledge to your presenting. And now the MPP has come out to apologize to John Mahama. Say media personnel what they are saying. And same fatal because being one man always a woo at the man.
There are certain comments that are made by what we refer to as food soldiers or people who are not even closer to the leadership of the party. But sometimes it is important when such unfortunate, condemnable statements are made both divide, the leadership comes out to distance ourselves from it and also to let them know that is not a trait of our party. After these incidents, we will admit here that certain comments, even from NDC and PP, some are claiming MPP are behind all these things, and some are also saying that they were even expecting some other people to have died. These things are not healthy for our democracy, and death is something that even your worst enemy, you shouldn't even wish death for your enemy. So, Mr. Chairman, if anything came from our side, I want to, on behalf of our party, apologize to the NDC and through you to His Excellency President John Dramani Mahama. It is not the position of the New Patriotic Party, and will never condone such activity from anyone who makes those.
So this is what MPP for Nanga Sababeka. Meaning, you are stronger than Apata now. Your party members, I mean the big guys in the party, and I say, Omo Mudi party, painful Mudi party, they are not happy with it. Into who a common floor member now, or Renfoba Lazarus now, who niche you abrabum now, bra, endu babyana, you are just a presenter and getting your pay. You brano. You don't have to be saying stuff like this because Omo Kwana party in some national crowd, Omo Nkasa and Kwasesem. They are not happy with it. That Ben Wabungus about Baumia and others Wontumi Nankasankasankasampo. Kene Japan mo. You get it? I want better to be a cakas. I'm okay. So go and sleep behind bars. He's going to be behind bars. You know what I'm saying? For 1 week, and after 1 week, going to bring the proof that he's talking about, that Mahama is responsible for the helicopter crash. That is it.